Greetings to all my Jamaican brothers and sisters. Whether you're there foreign, nearing, yard, greetings. The spot's coming to you again with me about my sweet Jamaica. Little idea and solution talk. And we're still on the topic of crime. So right now we're upon episode 5. And we're gonna go all in right now. So may I go back to the people them are foreign, or they send the barrel. And some of you may say, me they repeat, but I know so. Me keep off send the message, so till it stick. Me want if it stick, me want to get it, understand the situation. So me have to keep repeat it. I mean, I stop because I want to see changes. So, me chat to you again. Me don't understand. When you send a barrel down to Jamaica, you send it to so and so for go kill so and so. How you feel? How you feel about that? Remember saying I know they send the barrel to a foreign country because that the country the people them they come invade Jamaica, and you say no man, me not gonna make that happen, and this is what you decide to do. No, you just send it to your own country to kill off your own brother and sister. You really think about that? Seriously, no. You really think about that? Because me not think if you think about you that really do that. Come on, man. We can't do that no more. We can't do that. Nobody now invade we. Nobody now invade Jamaica. So what? You send down the barrel with the gun. And Mr. So and so go kill that the person there. I would have asked somebody where you and them go school together, play marble together, run up and down together, and you would have do that. And then what you do? You feel big that you do that. Why am I send down to get rid of so and so? So what you do? Lick your chest and you feel great. No, boss, no greatness no in that. No greatness no in that. Because what you think, you think say you're there foreign and you send it down a yard, so you're not depend on wanted list. You don't worry yourself, then I'm gonna catch you. I know so you go, boss. I know so you go at all. Because guess what? You don't live, but it's not your best life. Because you have to look over your shoulder because you don't know who they're going to take for your life. You don't know who. Because it is never safe once you find yourself in that situation there. And you never be the same person again because you relax. Your conscience, they kill you. And here what happened? It is never a secret because somebody always chat. Somebody always let it out. And right there so, you no longer safe. And all you do are fret. You start to fret because you the things say, boy, somebody they go kill me. And guess what? You even don't go sooner than you think. Because in that situation there, nobody no safe, boss. Nobody is safe. I mean, me call some friends who live up in all the states and may try to see if me can get some understanding. And then say, some people come up and them try to find work, but some just try to find out where the badness there because that is what them used to, so them have to go back in that. Come on, man. Come on. You live you better yourself. That's what you do. You live you better your life. You don't leave out of dirt and gone in a dirt. Look here. When me little, them used to have Then the bad man say them a gunman. No like what? They go on and know. And them never live long. Because them can't get up, they go from parish to parish and they kill off people. You know, go like that. And none of them man there no live 5 years after that. The whole of them dead. All of them get killed by the police. The whole of them there a boneyard. None of them know about right now. If you say they don't receive any reward for them greatness. No. And so me they try to tell you, say, when you murder people, you don't have no reward. Forget. You not get no button boss. You not get nothing. Because when you kill people and you're on the run, you see when the police them catch you, them they splatter you. You turn canned beef. You hear what me say? Canned beef. Because them now go catch you and say, boss, come here, man. A long time me they look for you, you know. Come sit down in that jeep and wait with her. Where you they going with, boss? Them now go do that. Him no have no time for chat. Him they splatter you. You they turn in a canned beef. So why bother do this? Why bother murder people? You know, see everybody they get killed. So you not think you should have even look into that and say, why? A time for me stop this, you know, cause you know make no sense. Nah, make no sense. Me nah go win this a game. It is a losing game. Once you pull that trigger and kill 1, 2, 3 somebody, game done. You don't have no more game for win. It is a losing game. You on the list to go. You on the list for the ceremony. The only thing you get, boss, are dirt. You not get nothing else. No pin, no big award, no honor. Just dirt in the worst possible way. And it is so funny because me laugh at it because me still don't know. While you know they run up and kill people, you don't live nowhere. But as soon as the police them clap on the way or one other gangster friend clap on the way, you know have this funeral, one big funeral, and you know build one big house as a casket. You know have just dumb as shit. You know dumb. It's so laughable. Because it don't make no sense. It no matter what, you could make it bigger than the world, you know, and still murderer, that's why you're dead. You're not dead from no disease. You're dead because somebody, you murder somebody. Simple as that. So no button, you not get boss. No pin. No award. It is all dirt. A losing game. It's such a waste. What a waste. What a waste. When me look into it, you know, me just say, why? A complete waste. We could do better than that. You never born to be like this. You never born to be like this, you know. You can really make a difference. You can make changes. This is not what you were born to become. When you were little and cute and you know you're not grade 1, grade 2, 3 and the little girl them love you and play with you, no laugh and run up and down. I never this you have it as a plan. You never am plan for this. You never plan say boy I'm a gunman man don't turn a murderer. No man. Make some changes. Make some changes for yourself. Just do that. Make some changes. Listen, I care. I really do. And you have a lot of time ahead of you because you're all young guys. You have lots of time. You have a lot to give to the world. So much. Me beg you, do better. Let us be our brother and sisters keepers. Let's take care of our community. Take care of our young children. We can't live like that. We simply can't. Please, let us come together. We can do it. We can really do it. We just need to work at it. Because when we come together and work at it, we become strong. We become strong. And remember, the idea is we want back with sweet, sweet Jamaica. That is it. We want back with sweet, sweet Jamaica. So let us work together, man. Let us work together. It can happen. It can really, really happen. So, as me say, me always go with the idea and solution. And that is, remember, talk to somebody, your mother, your father, or somebody you can trust. Tell them. Call a pastor for you because you need some help. You have some gun for carrying and you want to carry them in. But you're afraid. You don't know what the police will do. But you want the pastor to help you. That is the idea. Do that, man. As me said, nothing trying, nothing done. Because when me think about it, it doesn't even make sense. Jamaica is a small country with the most churches per square mile than any other place in the world. Yet we have so much wicked people, so much murderers. How we couldn't have so much people and murder people with so much church? That don't make no sense to me at all. No sense whatsoever. Some of you mama always sing pan the choir to rat it. They sing pan choir. It is laughable. Unu mama they sing pan choir. Some of you used to go to Sunday school, Sabbath school. And look how you turn out it to be right now. What they go on, boss? We don't have to do this. We don't have to do this, you know. You can do better. You can do better. You can be loved. Somebody is out there willing to love and help you. You just have to reach out. Make changes to your life. You're young. You have so much ahead of you. You have so much to give to the world. You can't just make it just end right there, so. Come on, man. Come on. Do better. Just cease fire. Drop the gun. Start all over. Me begging. Me spats begging. Just make the year be a good one. Can we have 2 months when nobody no lift up a gun and fire a shot? Can we do that? Come on, man. It's all within you guys to do it. It is within you. You can do it. I do care. I care for all of you. I care for those who they murder people, those who not murder nobody, who they think for murder somebody. Even the one them, the girl them want to call Dolly, what they help work with, you know. I really care. And you, Dollies, listen. Talk to no man them. Talk to them. You know, can't just have them they go thief phone. Because I'm sure you know they prepare funeral for them. Because if they go thief, then they'll get caught. So try. Make changes. Do the best you can. Because what they do, this is not good. This is not the best of your life. Just drop the whole iron. It is time. I'm begging because I care. Remember me telling you, you know. Me telling you say me don't cuss no out. Me don't cuss no out. But me do it because me care. Me love my people. Me love my country. Me want the best. That is why me do it. Please, let us work together and work at this. We don't want to live in a gated community. We don't need to lock down. We don't need to afraid that we own a brother and sister them. Uno no alien, nobody na invade we, so we shouldn't have to lock up in a house and in a gated community. We need to feel free from crime. We want to live a good and happy life. All of we, included Uno. Let we just make the crime be the past. Make it be the past. We want to feel safe. We want to feel free. We need to be in our community. We need to see we pity them. They play in a road and while parents they watch them. That's something what them used to do. Them play and feel free. So nobody now go shoot nobody. Nobody now go kill nobody. We feel safe. No shoot up now go happen. Nobody are no alien for nobody come there and shoot up. How you want a brother and sister them? So why you would have want to do that? So listen, boss. Me I beg you no. Please. Look. We want to know say. We sit down on our veranda. And Mr. Brown over there so we call to Mr. Brown. Miss Smith over there so we call Miss Smith. We sit down on our veranda and can't do that. No lucky in a house. Lucky in for what? Who will they run from? The same people them where we grew up with brother and sister them. Everybody look the same. And not like so some people head down where them foot there and them foot there where they head there. We are all brothers and sisters, so why we think to kill them? We don't need to do that, boss. We have to make the changes. We have to break down all of what we do. All of them the stupidness they have to go mash up. Because one of them mash up the country. And the only way we country can break down, I must want to break it down. So we have to go stop break it down and make it be with sweet Jamaica again. We can't continue like this. We want back with sweet Jamaica. No broke down business, no shoot up business, cease fire, tappy, necessary. Because uno na get no reward. No button, no ceremony. The ceremony is dirt. And you can't pretty it up with a big house casket. Uno still dead as murderer. And that not have to happen. If you tell yourself you want to make change. Tell yourself you want to make change. And that will happen. So, may I wish you all the best. And may I wish, as me say, 2026 to be the year of the past where crime is considered. Just do the right thing. Please, do the right thing. So, with all that me say, me spot gonna leave, and me catch up on the next episode because, look, it is a big topic and me they go through every nitty-gritty. So me now go just have 5 episodes. It will be continuing. So walk good, take care of yourself, and me catch you again. Me spots out.